Today we are going to be looking at one of my favorite strategies for solving a multiplication fact, and that is solving the problem by doubling a known fact. Let's say you have to solve the multiplication fact 6 times 7, and you don't know the answer. One way to solve this is to draw an array. Here I have drawn an array that has 6 rows with 7 apples in each row. This helps me visualize the problem 6 times 7. I could stop here and count all the apples, but I want to show you another way to look at this problem. Instead of trying to solve 6 times 7, I'm going to use a fact that I already know. I know that I can decompose the number 6 into 3 plus 3. Decompose is a term that means I can break my 6 into two parts that add up to 6. I'm going to break up my previous problem 6 times 7 into 3 times 7 and 3 times 7. I've also included the array to show that we are dividing the array into two parts. After I've broken down my problem into facts that I know better, I can solve them. I know that 3 times 7 equals 21, and 3 times 7 equals 21. I then take the first product, 21, and add the second product, 21, to get a sum of 42. This helps me solve 6 times 7, which equals 42. Another way to visualize this problem is to think about it as a 6 by 7 rectangle. This is the area model for a 6 by 7 rectangle, which we can represent with the number model 6 times 7. When we partition the rectangle into two halves, we are left with two new rectangles that are each 3 by 7 or 3 times 7. Partition is a word that means to divide or create equal parts. Just like in our previous example, I knew that 3 times 7 equals 21, and 3 times 7 equals 21. So when I combine the two rectangles, I find that 6 times 7 equals 42. As you build your fact fluency, doubling a known fact can be a great strategy to help you solve problems that you didn't know. Good luck using this strategy in your future work.